Hi, welcome back. My name is Rachel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create the subscribe button using CapCut video editor app. But first things first, let's get the subscribe button we want to use. We'll go over to Canva and download the subscribe button. So this green screen I got from Canva is from the free version of Canva. I'm using a free version of Canva, so let's get that out. Once we've downloaded it, we'll come over to CapCut and we'll click on import new project. This is the project we have. This is the subscribe button we've downloaded. It came without sound, so let's import that into CapCut and let's create it to look like what we want it to be. Once we have it in, we would want to preview and see where we want it cut. So you see all this left part is not an animation working on it, so we go back. We want to reduce this as short as possible. Click on this. Let's cut out the part we don't want. We delete that and we'll go back. Now, for you to add sound to this, you have to position the part you want to add sound to. So let's click on this. This is where we want to add sound. Once you've gotten the position where you want the sound to be, you either click on add audio here, or you click on this audio button down here. Whichever one you've clicked, you go to effects, sound effect. You must have known the effects you wanted. So me, I've gotten this effect I wanted and I've started them. It's on my favorite, but if you've not gotten them, you can search here what effects you want, or you could just simply scroll here and play each effect to know the particular one you're looking for. So I will go to favorites. I've already gotten the effects I want, so it's mouse click I'm using. Let's preview that. Okay, let me add that. Let's see. Now let's add to this. So let's add the sound. I already have the effects, and this is a ding sound. You click on the plus button, it adds it. You see that? Let's preview again. So that's just it. Once you're done, you export. I like exporting my videos in high resolution. I take it to 1080p and the frame rate of 30 frame rates before I export it. And once you've export, it's going to export your video. You have it in your phone. So check out this video here to see how to apply this subscribe button we've just created now with green screen. Take out the green screen and use it on our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.